What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and just in case you're new here, I go hunting for Hot Wheels every single day, and then we crack them open right here on Daily Diecast. Now, I did go out this morning, and I hit a couple places up, but I only found 2 hits, unfortunately. I do like them both quite a bit, so let's go ahead and get started. I found this paint variant of the Nissan Silvia S13. I've already got the silver one, or gunmetal gray, whatever you want to call it. Oops. Trying to get some more light on here. I'm filming in the morning, and a lot of natural light is coming in, so it's kind of hard to see the cars. Hope there's not too much glare. Sorry about that. But anyway, let's crack it open, and let's check it out. You know me, I love my Japanese cars. Very nice blue paint. It does have side view mirrors. That is what I like. This one's got rolled up windows. Nice gold and purple tampo and gold lace wheels. It does have some nice taillight detail. Very cool. I like that one quite a bit. Got a little wing. Little mid-wing, I guess. Very cool. Let's pop that one right there for now. Alright, and the second and last one up today is this Mazda RX-3. Very, very cool. It's I only saw this car on the peg today for the first time, and I just could not leave it there. Very cool little casting. Old school Japanese. That big old fender flare. Look at that. Nice wide body, Grady tampo. I used to have a full Grady exhaust on my Honda. It was awesome. Got Brembo and Hot Wheels logos up there. Get my hand out of the way of the light so you can see the front a little bit better. This is a very cool casting. I like it quite a bit. Got some black wheels with a gold lip. No side view mirrors, unfortunately. It's got rolled up windows. There's the black plastic base on that one. Oh, and I forgot to show the base on this one. There you go, there's that one. So yeah, those are the only 2 finds that I was able to come up with today, unfortunately. I do like them quite a bit, but I like to have at least 3 per video. But there's one other cool thing that I forgot to mention yesterday. I got this in the mail yesterday. This Hot Wheels Variation Guide, 2nd edition. Very thick book. Oops, it's kind of hard to tell. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting in here. By Michael Zarnock, I believe his name is. He has a YouTube channel called Hot Wheels TV. I watch it every now and then. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked on that. I'm going to be flipping through that today. Just going to be a lazy Sunday for me. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. If you're into Hot Wheels content, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Again, my name is Jesse, and I'll see you tomorrow.